Hi guys, Nick here, and today I got our Blu-ray and DVD unboxing review. And this time we're going to be doing Elemental, which is the latest Disney and Pixar movie I got in my Disney and Pixar Blu-ray and DVD collection. And then here you got both Raiden and Amber and the families on the case here with some background characters in Element City in the background. And here's the back of the case with scenes from the movie. And some bonus and extra features here, including the short film and Carol's date. And then, take the plastic off and open it to see the Blu-ray and DVD. He's going to show you guys what they look like. And we got the DVD on the left and the Blu-ray on the right. And now let's put this back into the slipcover and end the video there. And that'll be it for today's unboxing review of Elemental. If you enjoyed today's unboxing review, make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to our channel, press the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified of when a new video is uploaded to the channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.